The TinyLand new modern play kitchen for kids is a toy kitchen set designed for children aged 3 and above. It features plenty of play features and is designed in a trendy home style with curtains, creating an immersive and realistic play experience for kids. Here are some key features of the TinyLand new modern play kitchen. 1. Realistic design. The play kitchen is designed to resemble a modern home kitchen, complete with trendy details like curtains. This helps spark children's imagination and allows them to roleplay in a familiar setting. 2. Plenty of play features. The kitchen set comes with various play features that mimic a real kitchen. It typically includes a stove, oven, sink, refrigerator, and other appliances. These features often include interactive buttons, knobs, and doors that can be opened and closed, providing a hands-on experience for children. 3. Accessories and storage space. The kitchen set usually comes with accessories such as pots, pans, utensils, and play food. These accessories enhance the play experience and allow children to engage in imaginative cooking scenarios. Additionally, the play kitchen often includes storage compartments or shelves where kids can keep their play kitchen items organized. For educational value, playing with a toy kitchen offers numerous educational benefits. Children can develop their creativity, imagination, and problem-solving skills as they engage in pretend cooking and role-playing. It also provides an opportunity for them to learn about kitchen tools, food preparation, and basic cooking concepts in a fun and interactive way. 5. Safe and durable. The TinyLand new modern play kitchen is typically designed with child safety in mind. It is made from sturdy and durable materials, ensuring it can withstand enthusiastic play. However, it's always important for parents or guardians to supervise children while they play and ensure the toy is age-appropriate. The TinyLand new modern play kitchen for kids with its trendy design, plenty of play features, and educational value can make a great gift for children aged 3 and above who enjoy imaginative play and role-playing scenarios.